Benefits of using bricks in house making. Dear friends, when choosing building material, it can be a daunting task, but what's certain is that bricks are reliable. For hundreds of centuries, this material has been a primary source of construction material. While we have concrete that boasts of great quality and durability, brick still has a solid share of the market. Here are some benefits of using bricks or key reasons why you need it. Low maintenance. With bricks, you can keep your maintenance budget low. Painting is optional since it comes with natural color. It doesn't rot even when the climate is harsh. And unlike most building materials, it can withstand insects like termites, which are a menace to properties. What you need to maintain it impeccable is occasional scrubbing with a brush. Exceptional thermal properties. When it comes to energy efficiency, bricks have exceptional thermal properties. Your home can remain warm during winter. The material can absorb heat and then release it slowly in the house. And in summer, the slow heating property of this material keeps your home cool. And for the best insulation in your home. Safe from moisture, wind, and fire. Surprisingly, bricks can withstand various sorts of external pressure acting on them, including moisture, wind, and fire. In keeping out moisture, the brick veneer does an excellent job. While they are not waterproof, they can resist the penetration of rainwater accompanied by wind. As such, they will protect the underlying material from rot or mold growth. Natural product. Brick is safe to the environment when in use or during disposal. It's pure clay, which is a natural material on Earth in abundance. Also, they are great in reusing since they can retain their sturdiness and aesthetics longer. Clay being inert is purely non-toxic and safe for household use. Good-looking house. You will find them from classic Victorian houses to ultra-modern concept homes. Therefore, they are perfect for building masterpiece houses. The natural beauty of bricks adds a touch of nature at home and a classic feel. House durability. No material has stood the test of time like bricks. For over 6,000 years, this material has been used in the construction of houses and other properties. Around the world, you will find brick buildings still standing strong for hundreds of years. And to appreciate the durability of this material, it can face nature head-on. Whether it's hot summer or freezing temperature in winter, they provide comfort and assurance of structural integrity. Structural capability. While it's a classic building material, there have been innovative ways of transforming bricks for versatility. Now, you can find various brick tiles with varying designs for roofing. There are brick blocks that support small structures like houses as well as those for mega apartments. And on pavements, we now have brick pavers with various designs to choose from. What's your view? No material can compare to the class and elegance that bricks add to a property. And none can outlast it in the presence of environmental pressure. It's a versatile material that doubles as a structural material and roof. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.